Hey, what's going on YouTube? My name is Ernesto, and this is going to be the first video on my channel. It's going to be going over portfolio review number one, and I plan to do that at least bi-weekly since I'm not putting in a lot of money every week, so it's not going to go up or down too much. On this channel, we're going to mainly talk about stocks, the stock market, my portfolio, um, any news about stocks, and anything you guys have questions about, just let me know and I can try to make a video about it. Um, yeah, so I made this channel because, you see all these other portfolios on YouTube of a lot of money, like 50,000 plus dollars, and you're like thinking like, well, I'll never get there. I'll never be able to save this much. So then I won't get this much money in return in the future. But it can happen. We can all get there. Um, so just save up your money. Go ahead and invest it if that's what you guys want to do. Go ahead and click the link in the bio, and you'll get a free stock. I'll get a free stock. Sign up on Robinhood. Yeah. So I want to help you guys out, and you guys help me out because this is a group, so we can all do it together. All right, number one. I'm not a financial advisor, so take my opinion, as you want. Like, I'm not telling you to buy this or sell this or do this or do that. It's just my opinion and what I'm doing. Number two, I only started like 4 or 5 weeks ago, so I'm still pretty new at this. I'm a newbie. So if I say anything wrong or if I give out the wrong information or anything like that, go ahead and correct me. Put it down in the comments below. You're more than welcome to. And next, go ahead, click the like button, subscribe. It'll really help out the channel. Share, get me out there. It'll really help out. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here's the portfolio. We're sitting at $3,489.34. On the day, we're up $129.35 plus 3.84%. On the week, we're up $194.22 plus 5.89%. On the month, we are up $137.04 plus 4.09%. And past 3 months is the same. I started April 14th, and I plan on keeping this for 10, 20, 30 years, forever until I retire, so I can use this money then. Ticker symbol HLX, Helix Energy. This is the first stock I bought when I first started. I kind of just listened to my friends and, just listened to what they thought about it, and I just decided to buy it. I recommend doing your own research though, making sure you're doing your due diligence and knowing what you're getting yourself into and putting your money into. So right now we're at 165 shares, $1.67. We're up $19.80 plus 5.50%. Ticker symbol FUN, Cedar Fair. We are at 6 shares for $25.09. We're up $17.87 at plus 11.85%. So Cedar Fair, they own the amusement parks and rides, indoor water parks, hotels. Probably the most known one right here is Knoxbury Farm. Everyone knows that one. They have a dividend yield of 13.28 with 9 years of dividend growth, even though they got suspended and cut because of everything going on in the world right now. I do plan on holding this stock for a while. If the price drops down a little closer to my average cost, definitely want to buy more. I think people are going to want to go out and have fun, go out and spend some money, go to the amusement parks, go to outdoor water parks and things like that. Just go out and have fun after being kept up and in quarantine for however long this is going to last. Ticker symbol Penn, Penn National Gaming. We are at 20 shares for $13.94 average cost. We are up $4.80 plus 1.32%. Penn National Gaming, so they They own and manage gaming and racing facilities and video game terminal operations with a focus on slot machine entertainment. So they also do gambling, betting on horse races, all types of different things like that. So, another company that, as soon as quarantine's lifted and most of these places are open, like casinos, people are going to go out, have some fun, um, blow off some steam, get back out in the world and stuff. Ticker symbol BA, Boeing. So we all know what's been going on with the airline industry. All four major airlines have been hit super hard. Same thing with Boeing. They got a lot of debt. Um, but I think Boeing's going to come out of this, even if it's 5 or a couple of years or 10 years, however long. I'm definitely going to hold on to these stocks. I think they're really well diverse in their sectors. They don't just do airplanes. They do things for the government and stuff like that. So we're at 5 shares for $152.75. Ticker symbol T, AT&T. We are at 20 shares for $29.65 average cost. We are up $17.40 plus 3.01%. This is one of my favorite companies just because they pay a high dividend yield. And I think this is a forever company. It's never going to go. I personally don't think it's going to go anywhere or bankrupt or anything like that. They're also pretty diverse. AT&T not only sells phones, but they are coming out with their own streaming, HBO Max. It's coming out sometime this month, I think. So yeah, they're a dividend aristocrat, meaning if you have 25 years of consecutive dividend growth, you're put in that category. And they're sitting currently at 35 years of growth, paying an average cost of 52 cents per share quarterly. Ticker symbol XOM, ExxonMobil. We all know what happened to the gas and oil industry, a couple weeks ago, a month ago, however long. It's finally starting to come back up a little bit. I think for the promise that because some states are starting to open back up, people might be going back to work. People are just being out of the house more, driving around, buying gas and all this and that. So yeah, we're at 1 share, $42. Pretty much just an opening price right now. I plan on buying some more as soon as I get some more cash flow. We are up $2.24 plus 5.06%. Again, so ExxonMobil was a dividend aristocrat. They had to suspend their dividend, so they were at 37 years of growth at 87 cents a share. Ticker symbol O, Realty Income. This is a REIT. Another opening price for me right here. 1 share, $49.03. We are up 45 cents plus 0.83%. If this one drops down a little bit more, closer to 51, then I'm definitely going to buy some more. They're known as the monthly dividend company. They're also a dividend aristocrat, sitting at 26 years of consecutive growth, and they are paying a dividend of 0.233 cents per share monthly again. So I definitely want to hold on to this one and keep piling them on. Ticker symbol DIS. This is Disney right here. We got 1 share, average cost of $100 even. We are up $4.02 plus 3.81%. This is another forever company for me. Disney is really well diversified also. They got Disney Plus, they got movies like Marvel movies and things like that. And they got, the amusement parks, which are closed right now. And the movies are, closed right now too. No one's filming, no one's doing anything like that because of quarantine. So, as soon as everything lifts, I think Disney's going to skyrocket again. Again, people are going to want to go out, have fun. Ticker symbol KO, Coca-Cola. Right now we got 2 shares, average cost of $46 even. We are at $3.12 up, plus 3.50%. Another opening share for me right here. Definitely want to put some more money in it. I just gotta, get the spare cash. So they are a dividend king, meaning they have 50 years consecutive of dividend growth, and they pay quarterly at 41 cents a share right now, and they are at 57 years of growth right now. So, Coke's a forever company for me also. They own and brand so many different things: Coke, Diet Coke, Coke Zero, Fanta, Sprite, Minute Maid, Georgia, Powerade. The list goes on forever. So I think they're going to be around for a long, long, long time. Ticker symbol PFE, Pfizer. We got one share at $37.60. We are up 32 cents plus 0.87%. Another opening cost right here for me in a pharmaceutical company. I definitely want to throw some more money in this one. I just am, I have other priorities in different stocks right now. So as soon as I take care of those, then I can throw some more money in this one. Ticker symbol BUD. This is Anheuser-Busch Bud Light. We got 5 shares at $43.64. We are up $5.70 plus 2.69%. They have a dividend yield of 3.44, and it's suspended right now. But when it's not suspended, they do pay semi-annually because they can't run any ads or things like that. But this is another forever company for me. I think people are always going to be drinking and smoking and going out and having fun and want to do things like that. So I'm going to definitely stick on to this one and keep buying more. Ticker symbol MFA Financial. We got 30 shares at $1.68. We are up 90 cents plus 1.86%. And they have a dividend yield of 70.18. So they operate as a real estate investment trust, engaging in the business of investment on a leverage basis in residential mortgage assets. So I kind of followed this one off a different YouTuber. I'm in this investment in Robinhood for passive income, so I'm really into the dividends and want to try to keep putting my money in dividends so my money can work for me and give me more money back so I can put it right back into them. Ticker symbol ARLP, Alliance Resource. We are at 14 shares, $3.55 average cost. We are down 70 cents, minus 1.47% right now. And ARLP produces and markets coal to United States utilities and industrial sectors and users. They have a dividend yield of 48.19. Another one, I listened to a different YouTuber, thought it was a pretty good idea since I'm into the dividend community, so I just got it. I only threw $50 at these past two, so if anything goes wrong, they cut dividends or they go bankrupt or anything like that, it's not a big hit to me at all. So ticker symbol WFC, Wells Fargo. We got 2 shares at $27 even. We are up 58 cents plus 1.15%. They're definitely a top 3 bank in the United States with Chase, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, most likely. So I definitely plan on holding this one. Ticker symbol BPL. It's another energy company. We're at 2 shares for $24.60 average cost. We are up $3.38 plus 6.96%. They have a dividend yield of 6.36. They're a utility holding company engaging in the generation, transmission, and distribution of electricity. Ticker symbol VZ, Verizon. We're at 5 shares for $56.09 average cost. We are up $7.20 plus 2.59%. They have a dividend yield of 4.32. So this is another forever company along with AT&T for me. They're definitely top 2, top 3 phone companies in the United States for sure. Verizon doesn't seem like it was really hit by this whole pandemic. They've stood pretty average cost the whole time. So, this is a forever company for me. They got a pretty decent dividend. I definitely want to keep stacking on the stocks on this one. Last but not least, ticker symbol MO, Altria. We are at 7 shares for $35.62, and we are up $11.48 plus 4.67% right now. They have a dividend yield of 9.15, and they are also dividend king, again meaning 50 years or plus of consecutive dividend growth. And right now they're exactly at 50 years, paying 0.84 cents per share quarterly. So again, they've got a really good dividend. Um, they've proven that, they're dividend king 50 years plus. And I think no one's gonna stop like smoking. Everyone's gonna keep smoking all the time. It's never gonna go away, just like drinking. So I'm definitely gonna keep adding to this one and increasing my dividend and my annual dividend income. So that's my portfolio, guys. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below. If I said anything wrong or give out the wrong information, go ahead, let me know down below. Let everyone know. Help us out. And I appreciate it. Thanks for listening. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe again, and see you next time.